Okay, I messed up the video, so I'm now still on the pine tree, and there is a leaf caught in what I think is Sasquatch hair. It's all in the woods. It's black. See, it's all on this. It's some kind of lichen, I'm sure. It's all on this limb. Let's see, is it over here? Nope. Oh, here it is. It's all on this tree right here. See these hair looking things? They're black and they're like roots. But they're like, I don't know how to explain it. That's what they are. They're black, but they're like a hair. And they grow all up and down the trees. I find it very strange. I'm going to identify it one day, but for the time being, I'm calling it Sasquatch hair. And here is a tree that was caught by the pine tree when it fell. It's a very large tree, also. It's really large. We knew that there was a hole in the canopy over here, but we didn't know where it came from until we realized that this pine tree was missing, because this pine tree has been leaning for a long time since we moved here. But that's as far as I'm going because I have nothing to hold on to. But here is the pine tree, and I'm holding on to a limb. I'm really high up, probably 8 feet in the air, I would say. I'm holding on to these branches that are caught in that tree. And now we're going back. So I would think I'm halfway from the root ball to the end of the tree. Maybe, yeah, I think right there is where the top of the tree is. But it made a little clearing here, for sure. There's another stream over there where a natural spring comes up out of the ground, because the main stream is here. Goes this way. This one over here merges. I think it goes back around and comes back over there and merges with this one. We used to think that it was because there was a breach in the main stream right here. When it went to the edge of the property or the lawn right there, it would come over, and we've stopped that by building up the wall. But there's still a stream over here, so we know it's a natural spring somehow. Okay, we are going back. And over there, obviously, was a fallen tree that made a clearing in the woods, too. You can see there's an opening in the canopy. Let's get through this. Oh, there's a gall. There's several. These are galls. Some insect has laid eggs inside the leaf, and it's caused these knots. Aren't they cool? Only certain insects make galls on certain trees. Okay, we are going back. Just step over. Let's look at the bark again. It's very cool. Just the patterns in the bark is so cool. Okay. I'm going to end this journey now and bid you all good day. Ciao.